wireless microphones, including the audio tech.
All right.
What's up, world? DJ BLK Soldier here, covering Easter 2020. As you know, the quarantine is going on, but I'm still providing my sound services to a local church that will be doing an outdoor drive-in service. It's going to be interesting, so stick around and let's get this thing going. The setup for the day, almost done.
We be the kings of our throne. Benny, I'm not that clever. What I'm trying to say is I'm 100%. We be the kings of our throne. Benny, I'm not that clever. What I'm trying to say is I'm 100%.
One, two. All right, this is the setup for the day. I'm really excited to bring this out. It's my new PA system. It has the Denon Professional DN32X, 3 wireless microphones, including the audio technical, Sennheiser, and one's a lavalier. So we're gonna have some fun today. And once again, this is the church drive-in Easter service. Sound and background by DJ BLK Soldier. Got the QSC K12.2s out. It's a beautiful thing.
We are not people who protect our own safety, but we are people who protect our neighbors. We are people of generosity. We are your people, God, giving and loving. Wherever we are, whatever it costs, for as long as it takes, wherever you call us, go in joyful peace and know that God's peace and love go with you always. All right. You made a difference. Thank you. My Savior lives, and because he lives, I can face tomorrow. He holds the future, and life is worth the living.
All right, well, DJ BLK Soldier signing out from the Easter event. It was a great event, you know, definitely keeping it sanitary and social distancing, but it was awesome because they did it drive-in style. As you see at the cars in the parking lot honking their horns for Jesus and just coming together with a little space in between each car, but able to make it happen. Hey, what better way to do Easter than with the community? So we just did that, and y'all saw it. So I'm excited about all my new gear. I'm gonna be talking about it a little more in my upcoming videos, but definitely check in with me, you know, if y'all were able to have any type of services this month or whatnot. So it's DJ BLK Soldier signing out with the BS2U YouTube channel. Time for me to take a break and flex in my new little purple bow tie. So